iyiphi ethi mangikhipha umnyanga ke ngidubuleke. That we cannot argue, asiyibekele ngapha.
Iyatrend insizwa ezakhela udumo noma ke evele idubula lapha na ke iphoyisa elinye engazi kahle kahle ukuthi ilona liphela ka JMPD yipi ipolice officer. Ngane zakwethu kuphina kuphi la kufunya account lomboso njengamanje. Ngiyakubingelela igama lami mina ngothuthukani ngenqwakadludla isibongo abangaziyo bathi mathinta cosi intombi zomqomela amhlaka abanye sebaqomela imali uthi bowazi. Ngane kwethu singodaba lalo insizwa ekuyiyona eyikhulumelile emva kokuba ke yenze isigameko sokudubula sokuyivikela. Abanye bathi mfowethu ubuyivikela, abanye bathi hayi asazi thina yenzakala kanjani lento, bekumele uvale umnyango, bekumele ulokha. Iyakhuluma ke insizwa ithi anginawo awukho umthetho othi bekumele ngilokho noma ngeke ngize ngidubuleke mangabe ngilokhile, kodwa ke mina njengento ebengiyenza bengiyivikela mina, and futhi into ebengifuna ukuyenza bengifuna ukuthi ngimshaye indawo ezomlimaza angakwazi ukuyibuyiselela. Unfortunately ke umfowethu lo omunye ufeel esingawazi umsuka wempi ukuthi kahle kahle bekuyini, kodwa ke siyafisa usikudluliselele ilizwi ongenzeka awukakalizwa. Insizwa ikhulumela ithi awukho umthetho othi mangivala umnyango ngeke ngize ngidubuleka, but yena befuna ukuthi ngiphumele ngaphandle bese siyakwazi silwe kahle. Angikwazanga ukubaleka ngoba ubezodubula imoto, lokho kungenze mina ngabona ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi ngiyivikele. Abomthetho ke basithathile isibhamu ngaphansi kwe JMPD engathi udubulekile we JMPD edutshulwa iSAPS. Lapho kona ke okuvela khona ukuthi abaka JMPD basicelele isibhamu sawo lensizwa, bathola ukuthi isibhamu sisemthethweni nenhlamvu, futhi inhlamvu isemthethweni. Zokhumbula ukuthi inhlamvu mazi ngekho emthethweni uyale ujeziswe lezi angazi bathi aman point lekho nalezi inhlamvu ekhipha poison iqala engekho emthethweni, but ethishaya nje ibisaphaza poison elikwazi ukuthi isheshe kubulale, but yena udubule ngelegal, yonke into ibilegal. Esingazi ukuthi insizwa izoba senkingeni noma kwenzakalani. Sizwele ngane kwethu bese uphawula ngalolu daba.
We cannot argue ukuthi wayengakhiyanga umnyango, yabo. Iyiphi ethi mangikhipha umnyanga ke ngidubuleke. That we cannot argue, asiyibekele ngaphandle yomnyango, yabo. And mawuthi uJMPD bekangana intention yokudubula, no, bekangana intention yokungidubula ngisemotweni. He wanted me outside, he wanted to shoot me outside the motor vehicle, and I tried avoiding, but he kept on saying come out, come out. I could see that if I drive away he will shoot. He just wants me out. The only option which I had was to shoot and make sure I paralyze him, because if I were to shoot isandla bekazobuyisela lo muntu. I needed to paralyze him. Unfortunately, I'm using a lethal weapon. He passed on, but he asked for it. JMPD asked for it.
Ungakhohlwa ke ukusubscribe, ushare, uphinde comment emva kokuba ke uzwe lensizwa ekhulumela usho ukuthi wena uyizwa kanjani, ngabe ke luthini uvo la. Ungakhohlwa ungilandele kunzoxhumana, ngabe ke uTwitter, Instagram, uzoba yona ke uFacebook, uzoba yona ke uTikTok uthi @mathinta cabisa. Ngana kwethu mina ngikuthanda ukubhubha.